yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh, looks like a paramotor, Ollie. Can you believe it? Alright, I think I'm going to assemble it later when this little guy goes to bed, when I have a little more time, and no, and that's it for now. Alright, peace. Alright, so I just put my helper to bed, and we'll go ahead and continue. So I did put the cage together just to see if it went together okay, and I did have a tangle in the net, so I got that out as well. I'll have to take this back apart anyway to get on the actual paramotor, but yeah, here we go. Alright, so that little issue was this enduro stand here got bent in shipping, so you can see kind of that it's not true. This side's all bent up and this is coming up on an angle, so it's not mating with this female piece of the frame there, which is a bummer because you need that stand. This is why it's sitting so high. It's actually, the paramotor is sitting about 4.5 inches higher than it normally would. So I'm gonna have to get that fixed before I do anything else, but the rest of it went together great. So yeah, the hoop went together. I still gotta tighten the netting, but yeah, that's it, man. Moster 185 plus. Awesome, clean. Huge thanks to Jason. He's the guy that I bought this off of. He could not have been more nice. He could not have been more professional. Really a great experience with him, so if he ever sells a paramotor in the future, he's got a reference in me. So yeah, and yeah, I tried it on. The harness, everything actually fits pretty great for me. The guy I bought it off, Jason, is the same weight. He's a little taller than I am, so I may have to adjust it a little bit, but yeah, it's super comfortable. Everything else I think is pretty standard. It's just the Vitarazi V throttle that it came with. 29 hours on this motor. Yeah, this thing's clean, guys. Carbon fiber, love it. Safe start, works. Pretty cool. Pretty psyched. Oh yeah, I gotta put the prop on. We'll do that. And then I'm going to take that stand to work tomorrow, put that in the press, get it straightened out. Hopefully come home, set it up, and we'll start it up tomorrow, I think, if everything else goes well. I'm going to go over this with a fine-tooth comb, make sure nothing got Nothing got messed up in shipping, nothing got damaged. Like I said, it looks great, but you never know. The way they bent up that Enduro frame, or stand rather, who knows what could have happened. Also, one of these was a little bit loose. That seems to be a little loose compared to this side. So I'm gonna check that out before I fly it. And yeah, man, that's it. I'm stoked. Let's get that prop on, see how that looks, and then put it away for the night. Whole living room smells like gas right now, so see what my wife says about that. Alright. I'm not gonna torque anything down until I can get this thing on that stand. I don't want it falling over with the prop on it. So, but that's how it's gonna look. I just got it mounted with one bolt right now, but yeah, hope the lighting in here is good. It looks so sexy. Oh, carbon fiber, awesome. Alright, well that wraps it up. Maybe I'll tomorrow film the startup, and we'll go from there. Alrighty. That is amazing. I'm not trying to down talk the mini plane at all, but dude, this thing's got some insane power. So yeah, dude, this harness is amazing. So comfortable. Could not be happier. It feels like it's set up for me perfectly, actually, so I don't think I'm gonna have to do much work. I'm stoked, man. I can't wait to feel this power in the air, so I can't wait for the next flyable day. Yeah, side note, still for sale. It's the mini plane Top 80. Ooh, look how shiny and clean it is. This must have been well taken care of. So yeah, that is still for sale. Another bummer. I gotta rebuild this shelf because I built it for the exact size of the mini plane, and the Scout is 4 inches taller. So yeah, that'll be this weekend's project if the flying is not, the weather's not good for flying. So yeah, probably gonna have to quote this music in the background in the video so I don't copyright infringe, but whatever. All right, man. Well, yeah. Hopefully the next video we're flying this baby. Rock and roll.
So, it is really turbulent. I'm not having fun. I'm gonna land. Yeah, it's stupid bumpy up here. Really, really bumpy. Don't feel like flying today. On the bright side, the motor runs amazing, and it's got insane amount of power. I am at, I don't know, 10% throttle. Maybe 15. Okay, yeah, fuck this. Fuck this.